This technology has been put to use on large-scale heavy machinery used in pile construction sites. Until now, measurements of piles have been made by the use of two transit instruments from two different directions. Using this method, it is necessary to reposition the transit instruments each time the pile is struck. However, with the Baum, now only one total station is needed on site. Additionally, because the data of slopes can also be acquired, it is now possible to measure inclined piles. Even more, data can now be digitally recorded and managed. Now, for a further explanation of the Piledriver navigation system and workflow. Set up the Baum station. Select the pile data previously recorded. Next, measure two positional points on the heavy machinery. After that, take the measurements of the pile. The measurement data can then be sent wirelessly to a PDA and viewed using the easy-to-understand interface. As demonstrated from the operator's view of the screen display, the positional relation of the pile and the Baum station are shown as being on a level surface. The pile's slope can be measured from either the front or the side of the pile. The numerical value of to what degree the angle and distance should be adjusted is shown. The depth of the pile toe tip and the position of the pile head is displayed. The Piledriver navigation system enables easily understandable and highly precise pile construction, all from navigation done from the operator's point of view. Measurement data of all sorts can be stored digitally, which is useful for keeping construction records. Replace those crosshairs with the Baum. Through this small change, the efficiency of total stations is raised to their fullest.